The last stretch. Understanding and using this common English phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in the English language. The last stretch. This phrase is used quite commonly in both spoken and written English, and understanding it will definitely add a new layer to your English comprehension and expression. Let's dive into the meaning, usage, and some examples of the last stretch. The last stretch refers to the final part of a journey, task, or period of time. It implies that the end is near, and there's only a small portion left to go through. The term often carries a sense of anticipation or relief, as it's used when the conclusion of something is approaching. The phrase, the last stretch, originally comes from the world of sports, particularly racing. In racing, the last stretch is the final part of the track before the finish line. It's the moment when racers put in their final effort to win the race. Over time, this term started being used in everyday language to describe the final phase of various activities or periods. 1. Projects and work. We're in the last stretch of the development phase, and the team is working hard to finalize the product. 2. Academic context. Final exams are approaching, and students are feeling the pressure of the last stretch of the semester. 3. Personal goals. I'm on the last stretch of my fitness challenge, and I'm excited to see the results. Use it to express nearing the end of a challenging or significant period. Combine it with words like approaching or entering to emphasize the proximity to the end. E.g., we're approaching the last stretch of the project. It can be used both in professional and casual settings, making it a versatile phrase. Congratulations, you've made it through the last stretch of our video. Now you're well equipped to understand and use the phrase, the last stretch, in your daily English. Remember, it's a great phrase to express the culmination of hard work or the nearing of an end. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to your progress in your English language journey.